6th standard students, let us start from page number 122, 6.3 addition of integers. Going up and down. In Mohan's house there are stairs for going up to the terrace and for going down to the go down. Let us consider the number of stairs going up to the terrace is positive integer. The number of stairs going down to the go down is negative integer. The number representing ground level as 0. You can see here. Ground level. Terrace, go down. Negative, positive. Now do the following and write down the answer as integer. Go 6 steps up from the ground floor. Up, that means 6. The answer will be 6. Go 4 steps down from the ground floor. So from the ground floor, -4, 4 steps. Go 5 steps up from the ground floor and then go 3 steps up further from there. Okay, go 5 steps and then 3. So from ground floor 5 steps and then 3 more. So final answer will be 8. Go 6 steps down from the ground floor and then go down further 2 steps. Okay, from ground floor 6 steps and further 2 steps down. So answer will be -8. Go down 5 steps from the ground floor and then move up 12 steps from there. Okay, so ground floor 5 steps, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So we will reach at 7. Now next is go to 8 steps down from the ground floor and then go up 5 steps from there. So 8 steps down from the ground floor and then up 1 2 3 4 5. So answer will be -3. Go 7 steps up from the ground floor and then 10 steps down from there. So first 7 steps from the ground floor and then 10 steps down. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So answer will be -3. Amina wrote them as follows: +6 -4 +5 +3 +8. Now you will check. You will tally our answers with. She has made some mistakes. Can you check her answers, the correct, those that are wrong? Now it's your duty because I explained already. So where she made mistakes, you will find and you will clear and send on my personal WhatsApp number. Now next is try this. Draw a figure on the ground in the form of horizontal number line as shown below. Frame questions as given in the said examples and ask your friends. So you can frame the questions. You can change the number like we have seen this activity. In this way also you can tell move right side, left side. In this way you can use these words and you can choose the number and you can play this game with your friends. So make one video and you will send to me. Now take a number strip marked with integers from +25 to -25. So it's a very long strip. So on this strip all the numbers written between +25 to -25. Take 2 dice, one marked 1 to 6 and the other marked with 3 plus sign and 3 negative sign. In this way players will keep different colored buttons or plastic counters at the 0 position on the number strip. In each throw the player has to see what she has obtained on the 2 dice. If the first die shows 3 and the second die shows minus sign, she has -3. If the first die shows 5 and the second die shows plus sign, then she has +5. Got it? If you will throw 2 dice, on one dice 3 is returned and on the top negative sign, that means you are getting -3 number. Okay, whenever a player gets the plus sign, she has to move in the forward direction, that means plus. That means right hand side of the 0, we can say that. And if she gets negative sign, then she had to move in the backward direction. That means from here, left hand side. Suppose that I am here 4 and I am getting -5. So I will move in this side. Clear? Now each player will throw both dice simultaneously. A player whose counter touches -25 is out of the game, and the one whose counter touches +25 first win the game. You can play the same game with 12 cards marked with +1, +2, +3, +5, +6 and -1, -2 up to -6. Shuffle the cards after every attempt. Kamala, Reshma and Meenu are playing this game. Kamala got +3, +2, +6 in 3 successive attempts. She kept her counter at the mark +11. Now see here, 3 + 2, 5, 5, 6, 11. Reshma got this. She kept her counter at -1. How? See here, 3 + 4. So 4 steps up and then 5 steps down. So definitely we will reach at -1. Meenu got 4, -3, -2 in 3 successive attempts. At what position will her counter be? So see here, +4. So if we draw number line 0 + 4, then -3. So 1, 2, 3. So 1. Imagine the number line, and 1 and then -2 again. So before 1 0 and then -1. So Meenu will reach at -1. Now at -1 or at +1, -1. Do this. Take 2 different colored buttons like white and black. Let us denote one white button by +1 and one black button by -1. A pair of one white button +1 and one black button -1 will denote 0. Okay. So in the following table, integers are shown with the help of colored buttons. Now see here, white. So 5. 3. Negative number. 1 white and 1 black, definitely 0. Let us perform additions with the help of the colored buttons. Observe the following table and complete it. Okay, 3 white plus 2, so total 5. 2 black minus 2, again 1 black, so total 3, but negative sign. Now see here, 4 white button, 4 plus 1 5, so +4 plus 1 is equal 5. That means with plus sign. Now 4 black and 2. So we will reach at 6 black buttons. You will draw here. Color it with black. So 6, but here -4 plus -2, so we will get -6. Clear? So here you add when you have 2 positive integers. Like if positive integers are there, we always add. You also add when you have 2 negative integers with negative sign. Minus, so 2 negative integers and minus sign is common, so we add always. Now add 1 positive integer with 1 negative integer with the help of these buttons. Remove buttons in pairs, that is a white button with a black button. Since +1 -1 is equal to 0, check the remaining buttons. Now see here, -4 plus +3, that means -4 black buttons and -4 black buttons and +3. So -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1, 0. So what is left? Black button, and black button denotes minus 1. Same way, plus 4 minus 3. Plus 4 that means white buttons, minus 3 that means black buttons. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, so white button is left, so plus 1. You can see that the answer of 4 minus 3 is 1, and minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Here minus 1 and here plus 1. Now try this. Find the answers of the following additions. Now, two negative numbers with negative sign, always we add. So 11 plus 12 is equal to 2 1 3 and 1 1 2 minus 23. Two positive integers, 8, simply addition. 10 plus 4 14. Two negative integers, negative sign and addition sign is there, so we add. 5 2 7 3 2 5 minus 57. Two positive integers, 3 4 2 6 64. Now see here, so when you have one positive and one negative integers, you must subtract, but answer will take the sign of the bigger integer. Ignoring the sign of the numbers, decide which is bigger. Some more examples will help you. See here, plus 5 minus 8. The meaning is this: simple subtraction. So I am explaining in my own way, okay? And if you are understanding this way, you can do in this way. So simple in your mind. So 8 minus 5, you know 3, greater number is 8 and it is having negative sign, so answer will be minus 3. And in this two negative integers we will add, we will get minus 8. So plus 5 minus 5 0 and minus 3 is left. In this way, simple. Plus 6, so subtraction is there. 1 is positive, 1 is negative, so subtraction is there, and 6 simply 6 minus 4 is 2, so plus 2. And you can do in this way. Two positive integers, when we add, we will get plus 6, so 4 minus 4 0 and 2 is left. Now try this. Find the solution of the following. See here, I am explaining here only. Clear? Minus 5 plus 8, so minus 7 plus 8. Simple subtraction you will do in your mind. So 8 minus 7 1. Bigger number is 8. It is having plus sign, no need to put here sign. Now minus 9 plus plus. 1 is negative, 1 is positive, subtraction. 13 minus 9 is 4. Bigger number is having positive sign, so no need to put any sign. Now plus 7, so simple 7. Plus minus, minus 10. Subtraction, so you will do this subtraction in your mind. Okay, so 10 minus 7 is 3, so 3. Bigger number is 10 and before it negative sign, so minus 3 will be the answer. Now see here, 12 positive integer, plus minus minus, so simple 12 minus 5. Bigger number 12, before it positive sign, no sign is there, no need to put any sign in this way. Now see here, addition of integers on number line. It is not always easy to add integers using colored buttons. Shall we use number line for additions? Let's see on the next page. Let us add 3 and 5 on number line. See here, first 3, so 0 to 3, then 5, so answer is 8. On the number line, we first move 3 steps to the right from 0 reaching 3, then we move 5 steps to the right of 3 and reach 8. Thus we get 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now let's add minus 3 minus 5 on the number line. That means 0. That means minus 3. So move to left hand side of the 0. So minus 3. Again minus 5. So we will reach on minus 8. 1, 2, 3. Then again left side of, because negative. So again we will move left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus it. On the number line, we first move 3 steps to the left of 0, reaching minus 3. Then we move 5 steps to the left of minus 3 and reach minus 8. So the answer is minus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 8. We observe that when we add two positive integers, their sum is positive integer. And when we add two negative integers, their sum is negative integers. Now, suppose we wish to find the sum plus 5 and minus 3 on the number line. First we move to the right of 0 because plus 5 is there. Now minus 3, that means to the left side of plus 5. So on the number line, first we move to the right 0 to 5 steps reaching 5. Then move 3 steps to the left of 5 reaching 2. Now see here plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now minus 3, that means left hand side of 5. So 1, 2, 3. So answer will be 2. Now similarly, let us find the sum of minus 5 plus and plus 3 on the number line. First we move 5 steps to the left of 0 reaching minus 5, and then from this point we move 3 steps to the right side to reach the point minus 2. See here, thus minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. Now 0, minus 5, left side of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now plus 3, that means right hand side of minus 5. So 1, 2, 3. So answer will be minus 2. Now see on the next page, when a positive integer is added to an integer, the resulting integer becomes greater than the given integer. Definitely when two positive integers we will add, so resulting number will be greater than the two numbers. When a negative integer is added to an integer, the resulting integer becomes less than the given integer. Negative integer is added to an integer, that means positive integers and negative. So resulting integer becomes less than the given integer. Let us add 3 and minus 3. We first move from plus 3 and then left side of 3. And then from plus 3 we move 3 points to the left. Where do we reach ultimately? From the figure, 3 plus minus 3 equal to 0. Similarly, if we add 2 and minus 2, we obtain the sum as 0. See here, 3 plus 3. So we will move right side of 0. So 3 is here, 1, 2, 3. Now minus 3, that means we will change the direction and left side of 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So result will be 0. Numbers such as 3 and minus 3, 2 and minus 2, when added to each other, give the sum 0. They are called additive inverse. Additive inverse of 3 is minus 3. Additive inverse of 4 is minus 4. Additive inverse of minus 5 is 5. If each other, what is the additive inverse of 6? The additive inverse of 6 is minus 6. What is the additive inverse of minus 7? Additive inverse of minus 7 is 7, or we can say plus 7. Now see, try this. Find the solution of the following addition using a number line. I will teach on the green board this. Make 2 such questions and solve them using the number line. So you will make 2 questions and you will solve. Find the solution of the following without using number line. So first we will do this. See here, plus and minus. Minus, so subtraction will be there. So we will do subtraction in our mind. So 11 minus 7 is 4. Greater number is 11. Before it negative sign, so answer will be minus 4. Now minus 13 plus 10. So one is positive, one is negative. Subtraction will be there. Subtraction 13 minus 10 is 3. Greater number is 13. Before it negative sign, so answer will be minus 3. Same way, positive integer, negative integer. Subtraction is there. Now 9 minus 7, 2. Greater number is 9. Before it positive sign, no need to put any sign. Answer will be 2. Now 10 minus 5. One is positive, one is negative. Subtraction 10 minus 5 is 5. Greater number is 10. Before it plus sign, no need to put any sign in the answer. So 5. Make 5 such questions and solve them. You will frame the questions and you will solve. Now I am solving this one. Now see here, minus 2 plus 6. So first draw number line. You can draw an equal distance you will take. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 3, 4. In this way minus 1. Now minus 2. That means left hand side of 0 we will move first. So minus 2 you can see here. Now plus 6. That means right hand side of minus 2 we will take 6 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 4. Now this time 6 is negative and 2 is positive. So first 0. Initial point is 0 and you will take same, draw number line with the help of ruler, take equal distance. Then left hand side of 0 will take 6 steps. So minus 6. Now plus 2, that means right hand side of minus 6 we will take 2 steps. So you can see here the answer is minus 4. Let us start exercise 6.2. Using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 5, 5 more than minus 5, 6 less than 2, 3 less than minus 2. So I am solving for you on the green board. First is 3 more than 5. So first we will choose on the number line 5. Draw the number line, equal distance we will take here. I am doing only rough work, but you will take a proper interval, okay? So 5. Now 3 more than. So 1, 2, 3. So answer is 8. And 3 more, that means we will move right hand side more. Now in the B, 5 more than minus 5. So first we will choose minus 5 and more than, that means right hand side of minus 5 we will take 5 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 0. In this way you can solve a C and a D. Second question, use number line and add the following integers. 9 in the bracket minus 6, 5 plus in the bracket minus 11, minus 1 plus minus 7, minus 5 plus 10, minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3, minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. I am solving for you first one and last two. Clear? Now A of question number 2, 9 plus minus 6. So first we will choose 9, draw number line and 9, already you know now. And then minus 6, addition sign with minus 6. So we will move left hand side of 9. How many steps? 6. Negative is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where? Arrow. That means left hand side. So answer is 3. So 9 plus minus 6 is 3. E of question number 2. Minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. So first minus 1. So left hand side of 0 minus 1. Then 2 steps left hand side we will move because minus 2 is there. So from 1 and 2 steps. So we will reach at minus 3. Now from minus 3 plus minus 3, that means we will move left hand side of minus 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. So finally we will reach at minus 6. So answer is minus 6. Now F of question number 2, minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. So first we will choose minus 2. Then plus 8. That means we will move right hand side of minus 2 8 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From minus 2 to we will reach at 6. Now plus minus 4. That means we will move left hand side of 6. How many steps? 4. And why we will move left hand side? Because negative sign is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the answer will be 2. Rest of the sum you will solve. Now third question, add without using number line. 11 plus minus 7, 13 plus minus 13 plus plus 18, minus 10 plus plus 19, minus 250 plus plus 150, minus 380 plus minus 270, F minus 217 plus minus 100. So I will solve for you first and E, F. Now A of third question, 11 plus in the bracket minus 7. Plus minus minus 11 minus 7 4. Bigger number is 11. Before it no sign is there, no, neither positive nor negative, so we will not put any sign. Now E, rest of the sum you will solve. Minus 380 plus minus 270. Minus 380 plus minus minus 270. Two negative numbers we always add with negative sign. So answer will be minus 650. 0, 0 at 7, 15, carry over 1, 3, 1, 4 into 6. Now after that, now if minus 217 plus in the bracket minus 100, minus 217 plus minus minus, two negative numbers will add with negative sign. So you can see minus 317 will be the answer. Always if one is positive, one is negative sign, subtraction will be there, and bigger number sign you will put. Now fourth question, find the sum of 137 and minus 354, minus 52 and 52, minus 312, 39 and 192, minus 50, minus 200 and 300. So for you I am solving this, C and D. You can solve this one. Clear? Now C part of question number 4. Solution, minus 312 plus 39 plus 192. So two positive numbers we will add first. So two positive numbers with addition sign we will get answer. So 9 and 2, 11, carry over 1. 9 and 4, 13, 3, carry over 1, 1 and 1, 2, 231. Now 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So definitely subtraction will be there. But greater number is 312. So minus 312, 231. 2 minus 1, 1. 11 minus 3, 8. Here 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Greater number is having negative sign. So negative answer will be there. Now D I am solving. Now D of question number 4, minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. So minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. Two negative numbers first we will add with negative sign. So 250. Now plus 300. One is positive, one is negative. Subtraction will be there. So plus 300 minus 250 because 300 is greater than 250. So 50 will be left. But greater number is having positive sign, so no need to put any sign. Clear? Now fifth question, find the sum minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Then B is 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. I am solving for you B. Now B part of question number 5, 37 plus minus 2 minus 65 plus minus 8. So 37 plus minus minus plus minus minus and plus minus minus. Three negative numbers first we add. So minus 2 minus 65 minus 8 with negative sign. 8, 5, 13, 2, 15, carry over 1, 6 and 1, 7. So with negative sign. If two negative numbers we will add with always. If 3 are there we will add. If 4 are there we will add with negative sign. Okay. Now 37 minus 75. So minus 75 plus 37. 15 minus 7, 8, and here will be 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Negative number is greater. You can see here 75. So greater number is 75. Before it negative sign. So we will write minus 38. So minus 38 will be the answer.